How do you fix bills must be paid keeps crashing on Steam? So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. Now in the general tab, make sure to add -DX11 to the launch options. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files real quick. And once everything is validated, you can close Steam. Now you want to open up your browser and head to this Microsoft link right here. And from here, you will need to download and install the redistributables. You will need the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. Once you finish the installation, this will prompt you to restart your computer, so make sure to do that. Now, the next step is to update your GPU driver. So for NVIDIA graphic cards, you will need this NVIDIA app installed. Then go to drivers, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest version available. And if you're running AMD, you will need the AMD software. And once you're done, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from the library. And this should solve the crash problem. Now, if you're having crash as soon as you launch the game, it's usually due to overlays. So make sure to disable all the overlays. Starting by Discord, you want to go to user settings, scroll down game overlay and turn it off from here. Next, you want to turn off the Steam overlay, go to Steam settings and scroll down to in-game and turn off the overlay from here. Next, make sure to turn off the overlay if you have the NVIDIA app, turn it off from the settings here. And if you have MSI Afterburner installed on your computer, open it up, go to the settings and disable its overlay or uninstall it completely. Now, once you're done, you will need to restart your computer and open up Steam again as admin and launch the game from your library. And this usually solves the problem of the startup crash. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.